Today I will show you how to create stroke portrait effect in Photoshop. Duplicate the layer. Select the solid color from the layer panel. Select the black color. Drag the photo on the above layer. Click on the layer mask on the layer panel. Image adjustment invert. Now select the brush tool and select the size equals 5. Now draw the brush on the layer.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Your effect is ready now. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.